Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Instagram is up to date and you're logged into the correct account. This guarantees recent UI and search features. Once done, grant optional permissions like location or contacts if you want those influences in results. Now tap the magnifying glass to open search. You'll see recent searches and the tabs: top, accounts, audio, tags, places. Start interacting immediately. Type a clear keyword or username so Instagram begins to prioritize those patterns in future suggestions. Now refine how Instagram interprets your intent by selecting the right tab. Accounts narrows to profiles, tags finds hashtagged posts, places shows geotagged content. Type specific queries. Include @ for precise users, add hash for hashtag searches, or spell full location names for places. Make your phrases longer and clearer so the algorithm weights relevance over general popularity. As you scroll through results, tap the 3 dots or save icons to teach Instagram what you prefer. Those interactions shape future search suggestions. Finish by locking in your new search behavior. Clear your search history if you want a fresh baseline, then deliberately search and follow the accounts or tags you want prioritized so Instagram learns your preferences. Make sure to save posts or tap relevant results to reinforce signals. If search still feels wrong, try troubleshooting. Clear the app cache or data, reinstall Instagram, and verify network and privacy permissions. If that fails, wait a few hours. Ranking updates and personalization can take time to propagate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.